I was just talking to a shop owner and he said, man, every single day, my schedule seems to fall apart by lunchtime. And I said, hey buddy, if your schedule's falling apart by lunchtime, it wasn't a real schedule, it was fake. You didn't have it put together. He got a little offended by that, and here's my point. In this industry, we deal with no-shows. In this industry, we deal with part problems. In this industry, we deal with cars that aren't fixed when we expect them to be fixed. We deal with brand new parts that are bad outside of the box. As soon as we take them out, man, bad, right there. And we tend to schedule ourselves like everything is gonna go perfectly. I have learned over the years that I need to build a schedule that's based on the actual build hours. Not on emotion, not on what I think it's gonna take somebody to do something, and then I have to build buffer into it. Now, here's the thing, okay? Here's the big deal. Y'all have seen my scheduling process. You've seen my process where we talk about how we're gonna do our workflow for the day. You've seen our morning meetings. When we talk about that process, we're building a bench, okay? It's just like a professional sports team going to a game. All of a sudden, coach calls up a player because somebody got hurt and there's no players on the bench. You have to have work and things assigned that are a backup plan for your team to move into no matter what happens. There has to be an alternate plan. I'm just gonna say right here, right now, if you don't have a couple different options for what's gonna happen if something goes wrong, you don't have a schedule. You have some cars on a sheet of paper, and that doesn't work. Trust me, I've tried it. I have tried for years to make that work. You need a glorified plan where you know exactly where your people go next. Just my opinion. I'd love to hear how you prevent some of these hiccups and some of these frustrations where things don't go right in a shop and it breaks the entire shop. How did you fix that in your shop? Drop it down in the comments. You might help a shop owner who's in a similar situation to yours.